Today the topic of discussion is how to impress the HR. So the first point to ace the HR interview is be confident, be communicative and communicate effectively. You can always research the company culture before you go for any interview. You can have a talk with the current employees through social media to get the idea about the company culture, so that when you will we interview, you can give a proper idea or culture. Always have smile when you are answering the questions. You may get some situational question asked by the HR. So have control on your nerve and think before you answer the questions. So this may affect you a lot. Another important point is when you are asked about your reason behind your job change, please don't give any negative response about your previous company. Just try to convey the message in a positive way, in a growth way, so that they can learn from your idea of job changing.